Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing here on our channel. For today's video, we have our May Boxycharm unboxing. So I got the box 2 days ago. I got it, I sanitized it, I did all the right thing that I needed to do, picked it up. I was so happy. I was like, ooh, it's so heavy. We have palettes. I opened it, created this eye with a different palette that's not in the box because I didn't get a palette again. So yeah, we are doing unboxing today. We have great products though, so let's not take away from that. I'm just a little sour when there's no palette in my box, but everything in the box is good. So I hope you guys stay and watch. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and please do give this video a thumbs up, and please turn on that post notification so you guys can come back and see if I get a palette on my next box. So if you guys want to see my May Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. So let's go ahead and get into the pamphlet this month. So this month's theme is Mother Nature. So we have our theme right here. We have all the products and a little description of the products and the prices. Love having the card because it's easier for me to tell you guys infos and prices. So our first product is from Haus Laboratories. This is liquid Eye-Lie-Ner. So it is thicker right here, and then it does go skinnier on the tip. The felt tip is pretty long, so hopefully it's not flimsy. I've never used this product before. Ooh, this thing is awesome because it's so thin on the tip that it's really getting in there. Because I have the eyelid tape now, I can create a pretty decent size on the outer part of my eyes. Definitely dark liner. I like that because when you have a very colorful, sometimes a darker shadow, you want liner that will definitely stand out, on top of your shadows. And like I said, we can always fix this if it's, it's too high on one side, which sometimes, most of the time, it's always like that for me, which, whatever. So I went ahead and applied lashes, you guys, but while I was applying lashes, I used the Boxycharm Lily Lashes, CEO lashes, by the way. This is from boxes, I don't know, months and months ago, maybe last year. Anyways, it's gorgeous lashes. But while I was applying lashes, I was thinking to myself, this eye look looks so familiar. So it's something that I've done before, and it's this look right here, you guys. This one right here. I mean, this one is a full cut crease, as you guys can see, but I use mostly the same shade with the same palette. This is the XNO Cosmetics Green with Envy with Cetra Chiffon palette. It's gorgeous palette, but every time I open it, it's the same shade that attracts me. I think that's why I do the same look. So I decided to just take this pressed glitter right here. I was like, what, let's just add that. So now I am covered in glitter. So it's okay, we'll move on. Okay, I'm sorry if I have glitter all over the lashes, all over my face, but we are moving on. So let's move on to the next product in the box. This is from Trestique. This is their Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. This is a magnetic, like a crayon packaging. When you pull it out, it has a magnetic pull to it. It's pretty cool. So this is in Toffee. So this is the shade that I have right here. Oh, it says it's a blending sponge. Oh, so we do have a blending sponge on the other end, so that is pretty neat. I'll definitely have to use a lighter concealer on top of this because this is just to conceal and perfect, not to give you a highlighting effect. So this is to use, where is this to use? On the face, under eyes, around the nose. When you have blemishes, you can dot this softly with sponge or your fingertip. I will definitely let you guys know how I feel about this in a future video, but right now I'm on the fence. It's a pretty cool product. I love magnetic component and a little blending sponge right here. So let's go ahead and move to the next product in the box, which is a liquid lipstick. This is from the brand Appeal. We've received, or I have a few liquid lipstick from this brand, and I do quite enjoy this product. This is in the shade Naked, so I already applied a lip liner. This is from Becca. This is one of my favorite shade. You know, you guys, if you've seen my older videos, I always go for darker shades, and I always said, you know, nude is not for me. But it is, you guys. I love my nude shades with lip gloss on top. Just became such a big fan of a nude shades. So this is our packaging. Such a big component right here. So you have a gold top. It says Appeal on it, and the shade is on the bottom right here. It's small, but you can still read it. And you see the applicator right here. You guys see it? You saw how dry my lips were, and definitely hydrated it a little bit, so that's good. Very comfortable on the lips. It's satin finish, so it's not too glossy, it's not matte at all, so really pretty. Really like this. Love to add this in my collection, you guys. I'm just so in love with makeup. I'd be old and wrinkly, and it's just like a pro, and I would still be applying tons and tons of makeup, so you'll never get rid of me, you guys. I will be here till YouTube said, wait, you're too old, nobody wants to watch you anymore. So the next two things that we have left are skincare. So I'm gonna do my outro, do my pictures, and then I will definitely use this to take off my makeup and do the mask. So the next thing that we have is this huge packaging right here. This is from Tarte. This is their high performance natural micellar magic makeup remover and cleanser. That is a mouthful. So this is the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle no-rinse facial cleanser. You should still wash your face, you guys. That removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin natural moisture. That sounds all great and everything, but I think you still need to wash your face, unless it's, you know, you're a place where you can't wash your face, and this is definitely something good to have. Yeah, so this is the packaging. Don't this remind you of Bretman Rock's packaging? Don't have that collection. Bretman, ano ba yan? Asan akong collection? Bakit di mo ako pinadalan? So this is, yeah, it just reminds me of it. So this is what it looks like. So this is our micellar water, micellar magic. And this retails for $18, so I think that is a good price for all this water that you're getting. I'm trying not to use makeup wipes on my face. I've been doing the 2 cleanse method. You know, I do the cleansing balm, and then I do a foaming wash. So I don't really use cotton cleanser anymore. Today we're gonna use this. We're gonna put this to the test. So we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna insert a clip me using this. So this is our pump right here. I'm gonna take some of my squares right here. This is really soft, you guys. So I'm just gonna pump it a few times to get a light. I'm gonna take one of the squares, and I'm just gonna wiggle that around my lashes. You guys can see it's taking off the makeup already, so that is amazing. So I'm just pulling my lashes off so we're not tugging on our lashes, you guys. So now it just comes off. I had to cut this in two. I'm just gonna put this over my eyes and kind of just gently massage it so I can get all of that makeup off. Look how fast that thing came off, you guys. Okay, Tarte. Wow, that took it off so fast. Okay, okay. I'm gonna get the brows. Wow, this is actually like really fast. So this is all of the cotton squares that I use, and I still feel like my face is still dirty, so I still want to wash my face one more time. But if, like I said, if you're on the go and you don't have a way to wash your face, then this is definitely something good to have. Or when you just have to clean something really quick on your face, and this is something really nice to have. It definitely took the hard eyeshadows, eyebrows, eyeliner, all of the hard stuff that we need to take off. It took it off, so definitely a great product to have. And the last product that we have is a Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. This is a creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant, rich berries, and probiotics that instantly boosts skin health, restores radiance, and balances skin biome. So you guys, I already took off all my makeup. I took everything off with the Micellar Magic from Tarte. My face is not the cleanest right now, but I just want to do a little bit of demo with you guys with the Glam Glow BerryGlow Probiotic Recovery Mask. So it looks like a smoothie, you guys. Like you know, you do your little berry strawberry smoothies. That's what it looks like. It smells like it too, you guys. So I'm just gonna use this brush right here. This is from ColourPop. This is the F16. This type of brush is what I like to apply my mask. So I'm just gonna apply an even layer onto my skin. I will leave this on for 10 minutes and then just, you know, check the description below and I will let you guys know how I feel. I mean, masks are always good to have. It definitely have ingredients that will help our skin to look good and feel good. So, can't go wrong with the mask. So, you guys, okay, I don't know how to sign off on this one. So, yeah. On to the next scene. So you guys, that is everything that I have for you guys today. I'm gonna show you guys here how much the worth of this box, and I pay $25 for this box. Hopefully I don't need to upgrade my box so I can get palette, because I just want palette in my box. I don't know if I really don't know. I don't want to assume anything. That's why I went to the site. I was trying to get answers on why I'm not getting palette. So I tried to do the test again. So hopefully, you know, I took out most of the skincare. I just, you know, I said I want more makeup, less skincare. So hopefully that is getting put in the system and push out some of the skincare products, and one or two is good for me. At least one palette every box, I'll be happy. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. On the cards up here, let me know which product you would like to try, and then on the comment section let me know if you had the same variation as I did, and let me know if you got a palette in your box, because I'm like leaving you sad face, and yeah, because I'm jealous. No, just kidding. No, I'm not kidding. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And like always, I will catch you on my next one. Ooh, wait. Everything that I have on my face is going to be in the description below. If you want to see this look up close, go to my Instagram. You see this look in there. Follow me, and yeah, so that is it. Bye bye.